YouTube, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the second layout update in 2025. We did some work, as you can see, and we will start right away with the nscale layout. Yes, why? Because so far we did the biggest work or the biggest chunk of work on the nscale layout. Yes, and where do we start? Last time I started to build the rock faces and also here the walls, and as you can see now there is some paint on it. Yes, the first coat of color for the whole rock face, for the whole rock surface is done, and I have to say it looks pretty nice. And I also put in all the streets. I use Finpappe. That's a special kind of paper, I would say. It's really great to work with. I also did my station building out of this, so you can laser it and everything. And it generates a pretty smooth surface where we can build up the streets from there. So yes, I did color the big rock on the right side, and I also built up the tunnel entrance here on this side. I completely redid the section here top left. I can show you this a little closer. As you can see here, I completely redid it because I was not really happy how it turned out, so I plastered over with Mifo shape all over again. So now I also can start coloring here and also start adding earth and painting the streets. This street still has to be built. As I told you in the last video, the goal is to make the station side finish, or look at least a bit like finished. So, and then I show you, and here I also want to highlight something I did in the last couple of weeks. These fascia, the fascia I did here on the whole length of the station side. It's 8mm plywood done and also cut it with the laser. I already filled in the space, so now I can also work here and start to build out the whole station side here. And also I have to say the side looks pretty nice now. In the end I will color it. I think I will go with black, or maybe I will go with a gray. I'm not sure what color I will take now. I still can access all cables for the electricity of the turnouts and the power and everything, so it should be good. Yeah. And this is how it looks in a whole. So this is how it looks right now. That's how my nscale layout looks as of starting of May. And we did some pretty much work, and yeah, that was the update for the nscale layout. Then also in the last layout update I told you I was building a new diorama. Well, here it is, my HO scale bridge diorama where I built everything from scratch. For the graffiti I used the real marker colors from AK, and for the street I also used some of the AK products, and for the whole greenery I all used RTS Greenkeeper. The bridge is a Walters bridge, and the track is a Pico Code 83. And also I used some water thingies, also I think from AK, and water drops or something. I did not use them at any time, so I was wondering if it works. It kind of worked, so I built also this diorama in the last couple of weeks. So, and from one bridge to the next bridge, this is the HO scale layout update. Yes, on the HO layout I also did some work, not that much like on the nscale layout, but I still did some work. As you can see, the bridge is now put into place. I had to take out the whole curve here. I had to take it out again and cut it a little smaller because my 86 feet boxcar was scratching the mountain. Yay! And as you can see, the mountain is more or less finished. The whole stonework, rock work, and everything is more or less done. Also, the river bank on the far side is more or less done. Now I'm working on the near side to the end of the layout. So yeah, that was the stuff I did on the HO layout. And I also did run some trains and made a short video of that. I will show you now here some small clips of the GMD1 that is carrying this big Canadian National 86 feet boxcar. So yes, that's more or less everything what I have to show you in this layout update. I think I could do a video where, or make two separate videos where I show you the actual complete update from each layout. So I will make two separate videos on that, because you were asking also if I could do an in-depth video on the HO scale layout. So I will do that sooner or later, and I hope I will have some more time to build on even the nscale or the HO layout. We will see in the future. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we see us in the next video. Bye bye.